Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Windows 10 PC setting guys, and today we will try to guys Windows 10 restart shortcut key. What is restart shortcut key on Windows 10 PC and how to restart Windows 10 PC guys with shortcut key. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to restart Windows 10 PC guys with shortcut key. First of all guys, we will refresh it and friends use your keyboard. So guys we will use guys keyboard. So guys alt plus F4 guys, alt plus F4 guys, we will press alt plus F4 friends. You can see alt plus F4 friends, you can see shutdown. So friends shortcut key guys, again guys we will use guys right and left side guys, arrow guys, sleep, we will shut down, restart. So guys you can see sleep, sign out and switch user. So guys we will set into guys restart. So guys we will set into restart and guys press the enter button, then guys your PC will restart with shortcut key. So again guys we will do what is shortcut key guys, we will cancel it, refresh, alt plus F4 guys, alt plus F4 and guys we will select guys restart, shut down, you want to shut down. So guys shut down and friends you can see this restart, we will select and guys we will enter, guys PC will restart and we will have to wait for a while. So we will wait here guys. And friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your Windows 10 PC guys, you can ask me in comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. Friends you want any shortcut key you don't know, so friends you can also ask, I will check, I will help you. Friends you can see PC will restart guys, space button and guys enter guys, press, no signal. Restart. As you can see PC will restart after few minutes automatic. So like that guys we can restart guys Windows 10 PC with shortcut key. First of all guys we will refresh, after refresh guys now guys you can use your PC. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.